what's up guys, it's me, your favorite YouTuber, Julie again. So I've been looking at my videos so far, and I saw the burping videos were the most, so why not we do it again? So, I have an idea. Why not we see if I could do the ABCs burping. 3, 2, 1.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S A U V W X Y and Z.
Yay, I did it. Clap, 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 clap. Wait, I gotta clap the camera. So, I've been wondering, why does my forehead look so big? And I figured out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a 5 head. And I'm like, come on, anything better than that? But I got my kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. 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 Say hello. Oh, he's sleeping. So, I'm pretty sure that's it for today. Bye. See you later, God.